This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find all the posts that you have commented on Instagram. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. The first thing you want to do is, of course, open the Instagram app. Then the next thing you'll do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right-hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner. And from here, you want to tap on Your Activity. And then you will go down to where it says Interactions. And if you want to see all the posts that you have commented on, you'll click on Comments. You can also see from this screen, you can also see, you could tap on Likes to see what posts you have liked, and you can also tap on your story replies. But if you want to see the comments that you have made, you just tap on Comments. Thanks for watching.